Hi everybody, Sam here from Frugalisama again with another prize for the Sew Frugal 22 challenge. If you're not sure what the Sew Frugal 22 challenge is, it's a challenge that I'm running over on Instagram with Ruan at the Yorkshire Sew Girl to sew a garment using a free pattern using fabric from your stash during the month of March. Reveal date is on the 31st of March. So we've got over 70 vloggers talking about the challenge, giving you their ideas and inspiration. So today we've got the Twilight Stitcher and Mary Sews, and hopefully they will be bringing you a fun twist on the challenge. So today's video is another prize for the challenge, and I'm not doing these in any particular order, I'm just randomly selecting them, and this one is from Dressmaker's Closet. You might know Jane from Dressmaker's Closet. She has a YouTube channel. She used to be called Loopy Mabel's Closet, I think because she probably did quite a lot of crochet at the time, and then she's gone over to designing her own patterns. So she's very generously offered us a free PDF pattern, which means that prize will be available internationally, and she's got just 3 patterns on her website at the moment, and I'm just going to run through them for you, let you know what she's got on there. So her latest pattern is the Martha top, which is a loose fitted top with a pretty gathered neckline detail. So it's just got a lovely high-low hem with a ruffle on it and classic shaped sleeves. So it's a really feminine design and can be worn with both trousers and skirts. It's designed for woven fabrics, is that one. And then she's also got the Poppy Pinafore, which is a semi-fitted bodice. I've seen lots of variations on this one and it looks really nice on. So it's got bust darts, got secret side pockets as well, pretty button placket down at the back, and gently scooped neckline. So just an easy to wear, easy to style pinafore dress. So also on there she's got the Audrey oversized collar, which is just a fully lined collar with a ruffled edge and a tie on it, and it's detachable. So if you're not sure about the trend, a good way to try it without committing fully to it. She's also got a pattern coming out mid-March too, which is the Ava blouse. So if you watch her latest YouTube video, she has made a version of this where she's actually hacked it into a dress using patchwork, and it is absolutely stunning. So if you're ever sort of inspired, there's loads of inspiration. This is a ruffle sleeve top from Peppermint magazine, and I just cut that off at the waist and hacked that into a dress. And the reason I'm wearing it is because also on Jane's website she has got a free pocket pattern, and I put pockets in that, and I think a free pocket pattern is always useful to have, just to add to any basic dress on the side seams. So I thought I'd just mention that because it's a little freebie that she's got on her website. So she also sells ready-to-wear clothes and fabric and haberdashery as well. She does have a few little accessory patterns on there and some crochet patterns on there, some free crochet patterns. But if you're thinking of either hacking a dress like she has or doing the McCall's M6979, which I talked about in the Minerva video, that doesn't have pockets, and I thought that pocket pattern would be a really useful one for you to have. So let me know which one you choose. Like I say, the Ava blouse is due to come out mid-March, so she should have 3 garment patterns to choose from. So I've worn the Peppermint ruffle top, and this is a white striped maxi dress as well from Peppermint magazine. And if you didn't catch my video the other day about Peppermint magazine having floods, they are under floodwater at the moment, so if you are using a Peppermint magazine pattern, consider donating. I know that the challenge is to use free patterns, but consider donating if you can afford it, because obviously they've been providing us with free patterns and it would be nice to give something back. Right, that's it from me. Let me know which one you'd make out of those 3 if you were to win it, and I'll be back tomorrow with another prize. Thanks for watching. Bye.